uphatha imali ewu-30 ama-R1 mhlophe ebese uphatha iqhubeke mhlophe uthi ngizonikelela abasekhaya bomama uzweli leyo nto izowenzeka ngiyabonga lalela ke mama ukholwa kwakho ukusindisile usuka kuphi
Epito
useduze neHammanskraal
mama ngisokocha
It's about 30 kilometers.
which means seduze ngithi 30 kilometers not far which means about 15 minutes drive nanzo lalela there is a call ozoyithola esuka eHammanskraal ize kuwe lo muntu ozofonela igama lakhe uKahlego uyangizwa ngithi lo muntu makakufonela uzobe kweleka imali uyangizwa ngithi angazi noma unozwelo kakhulu noma ubolekise ngemali noma wakwabolekisa ngemali uyangizwa ngithi lalela ngitshela ukhona umuntu amnika wena imali lo muntu angazi noma wayeke waba namatekisi noma waba yi-owner lamatekisi uyangizwa ngithini this guy failed to bring back your money umkhwenyana wakho uyangizwa ngithini khona empitoli igama lami ngoBarnabas lalela ngitshela it was on a Wednesday. Unfortunately, phone yakho mayirekhoda angazi. But there is a call. Owayithola. It was 7 minutes past 11 ekuseni. Mhlaka 4 April. Isikhathi sami 11.07 ekuseni. Mawuyithola le call mama. Wathi mawuyibamba ya dropa. Then you started experiencing a pain from a back because on your right hand side right now unento efuna ukuzenza stroke iyenyaweni lakho phansi ngiyangizwa ngithini lento iyangihlupha ngoba isifuna ukumhlupha nasesiswini sakhe manje ngiyangizwa ngithini but today ngizokusiza mama yes